On this video, I will walk you guys through on how I did this amazing look. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nadim. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. So today's look is very special. I am recreating a hairstyle inspired by none other than Rihanna. And when I tell you this Tetris braid style caught my eyes instantly, I am not even joking. The moment I saw it, I already knew, yeah, I have to try it. Before you get into braiding, let me talk about preparation, because I always say this and I will keep saying it. A good hairstyle starts before you even pick up your comb. So for this look, I made sure my hair was clean, properly detangled and stretched out. You don't want to be fighting with tangled hair when you are trying to create a detailed pattern like this, just like making everything harder than it needs to be. I also went ahead to moisturize my scalp a bit, because protective hairstyles should actually protect your hair, not stress it out. That's something I'm really big on. In my next video, I'm going to show you how I moisturize my hair to protect my scalp anytime I want to make a new hair. Now let me get into the real style of the style, the pattern. If you've never done a Tetris braid style before, just know this is not your regular pattern. This is where the whole beauty of the style comes from. It's about structure, alignment and precision. So I took my time in parting, and when I say I took my time, I really did. So whenever you're parting and you feel like you didn't get the right part, it is cool to go back and redo it again, because perfect line gets the perfect look. So before doing any other thing, I started mapping out the sections slowly using my rat tape comb to create those clean geometric paths. At some point, I even had to pause and step back and look at the pattern again, just to make sure everything was lining up the way I wanted. So here I'm all done with this section. Moving on to the next part, because one thing about styles like this, if your foundation is off, the entire look will be off. There's no hiding it. I'm not gonna lie, this part requires patience, like patience, but trust me, it's worth it in the end. For me, once I'm satisfied with the pattern, I went into braiding gel to smooth out each section. If you're cool without using your braiding gel, that's fine. For me, sometimes I do the both. Putting your braiding gel is what gives you that neat, polished, finished at the roots. Trust me, you don't want flying aways, you don't want rough parts, you want everything looking clean and intentional. As I started braiding each section, I focused on keeping my tension consistent. This is something I have learned over time. If your grips keeps changing, your braids won't look uniform. So I made sure the braids had the same feel from the roots down to the ends, not too tight, because you're protecting our roots but also not too loose. And when it comes to your edges, please don't pull too hard.
Around here, table for two, you can keep it on the low. Face up, light up and on the low. Hey, you may do it on your own. No say we fit the link in my home. Face down when I see you on the phone. Face up, light up and on the low. Hey, girl, I'm gonna be honest, and I wish you all the best. And I pray I will never get afflicted. Looking at the works of the Lord, trying to set the vision where they meant for me. I came from the jungle, I'm just trying to make a way. Niggas them be acting cause they got nothing to say. Sometimes you be silent if you wanna make a way. Watch out for the vultures cause they closing in the way. You can have it one step, one move at a time. When the party goes wide and we order for the wine, and the body gets high, a cappella for the night. You can have it one step, one move at a time. When the party goes wide and we order for the wine, and the body gets high, a cappella for the night. Cappella for the night. I'm addicted to the road. In new fashion, so I set it on the road. Big fast when the boys come to play. With the way she moves, she'll have something to say. Yeah, I'm addicted to the mountain. In short, edit, pouring like a fountain. Big fast when the boys come to play. With the way she moves, she'll have something to say. Yeah, girl, I'm gonna be honest, and I wish you all the best. Girl, I'm gonna be honest, and I wish you all the best.
As I keep going, you can start to see the pattern forming. And honestly, this is my favorite part of the whole process. It's like watching your visions come to life in front of you. At first, it might look a bit confusing, like what is going on here? But then everything started connecting and suddenly it makes sense. That's the beauty of creative braiding. And can we talk about how unique this style is? It's not something you can see every day. It stands out, it's bold, and it gives that high fashion auditional vibe, which is exactly what you expect from Rihanna. She's known for pushing boundaries and trying different looks, so creating something inspired by her just felt right. As I continued braiding, I make sure to keep checking my work, adjusting when needed, making sure every section stayed neat and aligned with the pattern. Details matters a lot in style like this. Even the smallest mistake can throw off the whole look, so don't be afraid to go back and fix things as you go. Now we are getting closer to the end. At this point, everything is coming together beautifully.
Looking at the works of the Lord, trying to set the vision where they meant for me. I came from the jungle, I'm just trying to make a way. Niggas that be acting cause they got nothing to say. Sometimes you be silent if you wanna make a way. Watch out for the vultures cause they're closing in the way. You can have it one step, one move at a time. When the party goes wide, and we order for the wine, and the body gets high, a cappella for the night. You can have it one step, one move at a time. When the party goes wide, and we order for the wine, and the body gets high, a cappella for the night. Cappella for the night. I'm addicted to the road. A new fashion, so I set it on the road. Big fast when the boys come to play. With the way she moves, she'll have something to say. Yeah, I'm addicted to the mountain. In short, edit, pouring like a fountain. Big fast.
Once all the braids were done, I went in with the finishing touch. First, I dipped the end in hot water. This helped to seal the braids and give them the smooth and silky finish. I also took a little extra time to refine the part and make sure everything was sitting properly. At this point, you can choose to leave it or you pack it just the way I'm doing on this video. I love challenges like this because they help me to grow as a hairstylist. And that's something I always want you guys to take away from my videos. Don't be afraid to try new things. You might not get it perfect the first time, and that's okay. What matters is that you are learning, improving, and building your skills. If you're thinking about trying this style, my biggest advice would be take your time when you are parting. Be patient with the process and don't rush it. Trust me, good things takes time, and this is definitely one of those styles. Alright, lovelies, we are coming to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this transformation, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and let me know what you think about this look. Tell me if you would rock this look, and also let me know which celebrity hairstyle you would want me to recreate next. I'm always looking for new ideas. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end. I really appreciate every single one of you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
You can have it one step, one move at a time. When the party goes wide, and we order for the wine, and the body gets high, a cappella for the night. Cappella for the night. I'm addicted to the road. A new fashion, so I set it on the road. Big fast.